Bonjour et bienvenue sur Français magique et aventure. Partie 4, leçon 2. Dire le, la, l'apostrophe, les, un, une, des. Grammaire.
Introduction. In this lesson, we will learn about definite and indefinite articles in French, including masculine, feminine, singular, and plural forms. Definite and indefinite articles. In French, articles are little words placed before nouns that tell us whether the noun is specific, definite, or unspecific, indefinite, and also show the gender, masculine, feminine, and number, singular, plural, of the noun. 1. Definite articles, the. They refer to a specific item that both the speaker and listener know about. Example.
J'aime les fruits.
I like the fruits. Specific fruits they know.
Elle prépare le dîner.
She prepares the dinner, a particular dinner.
Il regarde la télévision.
He watches the television. Talking about a specific activity or program everyone knows.
Nous allons à l'opéra.
We go to the opera. Refers to a specific opera, possibly an event or building known to both. A few notes. Before a vowel or mute H, lu and la become L' for easier pronunciation.
Hello and welcome to Français Magique and Adventures. Here we will learn French together in a different and fun way with a family living in Paris. Follow our adventures and discover the French language with us.
Bonjour et bienvenue sur Français Magique et Aventure. Ici, nous allons apprendre le français ensemble de manière différente et amusante avec une famille vivant à Paris. Suivez nos aventures et découvrez la langue française avec nous.
Article défini. Le, masculin singulier, le dîner. La, féminin singulier, la télévision. L'apostrophe, devant voyelle ou H muet, l'opéra. Les, masculin et féminin au pluriel, les fruits.
Two. Indefinite articles, a, n, some. Used when talking about something non-specific or mentioned for the first time. Example.
Je lis un livre.
I read a book, any book, not specified.
Elle écrit une lettre.
She writes a letter, any letter, not specific.
Il mange des fruits.
He eats some fruits, some unspecified fruits. A few notes. De is plural indefinite, often translated as some but sometimes left out in English.
Article indéfini. 1. Masculin singulier, un livre. 1. Féminin singulier, une lettre. Des, masculin et féminin au pluriel, des fruits.